What's up, guys? What's on? Coming in the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there? Are we done there?
Brand new banger.
Yeah. Wagwan peeps. Happy Thursday to you, beautiful people. So today, my name now each right into it. Story time. Storyteller time. But with a twist. You know what I mean? Take serious thing, make joke. So I know that everybody have a time in them life. Some things where just stand out to them. You know what I mean? So me I go try remember and me I go share some standout moments in my life. From sad moments, serious moments, funny moments. What happened to me and people around me and all them things there. Hey. When you ready? Call me ready, you know. First one. Let's see it. That one you're funny. Big up to my grandmother, R.I.P. That one you call Wild Pipe.
Oh!
So me have one cousin when named Debbie. Debbie, me love you, don't kill me. Me say, yo, Debbie did fool. Jesus Christ. Me say, yo, him ball for everything. As breeze blow against him in ball, mosquito bite him in ball. So anyway, true, Debbie did kind of timid and thing. Grandma must go tell her if she go do something and you know, she reach her age, you know, when she feels so, oh, she a big woman and a answer back grandma.
What you doing, John?
Me say, my grandmother, you know, man, hot head, you know, man. Them time there, you know, woman I got to, you know, but you know, say the woman they back in the days, not take no chat. Me say, grandma, old. Debbie in the kitchen, you know, man. And just say, girl, make a bust your wild pipe. And I say, grandma, where you kill? Grandma, no kill. You can't lean, grandma say lean in it, and I get the cup bust your wild pipe. How you chat, you know, you chat. Grandma, no kill me. Please, no kill me. Don't kill me. I say, bust your wild pipe, and the mouth there with it, you know, them old people, them choke your backside and them put the lean there. Bust your wild pipe, no. Know yourself, you know, man. With a little lean in it, you know, man. That did funny as much as it did just dangerous. For me, God, Debbie. Nobody kill me, but that was one of the time them will stand out to me still. Me say, yo, that one you kind of serious still. You know what I mean? But me I put a funny spin on it. Me say, yo, when me I go more now, you know, man, as a youth, you know, man, 4th farm, 5th farm, you know, man. Fall in love with one girl, you know, man. And I say, you are my girl, that. Every time, you know, man. Every time, you know. Anything more I'm going to give her my bridging, all I let her or something and just send it across, you know, romantic and be things and go on and say, yeah, baby, I don't know. You don't know, you're the one and link up and thing, you know what I mean? And I build up the thing, you know. One day I'm going to see my girl.
Bitch, what?
My girl just vanish. Like Casper. So me I wonder why I go on, you know. Not hear nothing, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. And all them thing there. Yeah. One day I back get me ready for left school. It's just a crowd me see. When my girl forward in, me see my girl with a big belly. My friend, my friend a breed.
What do you mean by that?
But you know the hottest part of it? You know I breed it? My best friend.
Mom, slam on the brakes.
Oh! Abunda la caca!
Yeah. Yeah, my best friend breed it. My youth I'm supposed to be my virgin. Yeah, big up yourself, Finley. I call your name. Yeah, man. Next one, you know, people. My name na itch. Me say, yo, you know when you go to school and you take up a little badness and all them thing there. You know what I mean? That one you call Stars and Stripes. You know what I mean? That one you call Peony Wally. So me and one of my brethren them, you know, man, kick off, you know, man. Well, we are from in a school, you know, man. Come out, you know, man. Come a road, you know, man. And I go on with a bag of things, you know. bun me, no man. So, them time they throw a moon and I go, you have one bus I go up a poppy in and then one bus I go, something they name, half a tree and them thing there, right? So, yeah, you Miss Sinus, you be tripping. One bus I go Mona, one bus I go half a tree. Man, you make my video get yellow, cause you be tripping, boy. Yeah. So, me and my brethren only lady are fighting it. What we are fighting? So, we out of the bus stop a fight. And all them thing there. And the boy run go in our bus quick. And him go fling one little stone and lick me. Me run go out the door now with my bag. To me have some heavy bag in it, man. And I give him a bitch lick in the head, man. Boop! Yes, and the man grab a bag. And the man spin me around so and give me one thump in my ears jump. Me a wee!
Oh!
Wee! Me say, yo, you see a bitch lick? Yo, the lick so hot. I couldn't even bother fight. Me just stand up. Me just stand up on a ball.
Bruh.
For about half an hour, me a rub me head sides and stand up on a ball. And I look at him and I say, doggy, you say you told me hot, dog.
Look
And
at
the
this
man say,
dude.
dog, say you don't let me in my head too, dog. With the book in you. And the two are we a ball. And then we are friends next morning. Hey, yo, let me tell you one next story, man, again. Be a trouble me get a school, you know, say, yo. You see when we go, them time them I go, Dunrabin Primary. Yo, one boy when named Bagaloo. Every day the man usually trouble me. Hey, you know why the man named Bagaloo? The man have a head with big,
Bruh.
like on transmission.
Oh!
The man head does overly big and he does black like Noob Sabbath. No offense to black people, but he was extra dark. A Earcon cousin. Nobody wanna see us together. Yeah, man. But every day the man usually pick for me. We fight and fight. The boy not stop pick for me in school. So you see me and brethren named Javed. And almost two other youth. I can't remember them name, but big up yourself, Javed and Bagaloo. Yo, one day not you know a boy love kickball and play in the open field and thing I done Robin. I usually have some bush part up at the top part right there, so. Yo, me, Javed and two our brethren them are people who the man beat up, Just pile up some stone in some bush. And wait till that a pass, Yes, when that a pass, we just pick up every big stone and start raining and start. Oh! Every stone, man. Yes, when we start pell stone in a bush panda boy, there be a bally wall. Yo, yes, when me bust that head. Yes, when that gets some bust head and lick out of the stone from everybody. Every man stepping in school like a real technologist. The next man not happy, no man. Yo, yes, when I look at the boy full of stitches more than clothes. And that's what you call a bust head.
Oh!
Summer love, teenage love, everybody have it. No, me have a story to tell you quick and fast. We have one ex-girlfriend, Keisha, may I call her name, I don't care. Yeah, anyway, yo, me say, brother, everybody have one of them moments that will stand out in any family relationship. Mine never stand out, it did just kick out. I should call it lick out.
Why you doing,
You know what I mean? And the reason why I said that, brother, let me take off this. Yo. Yes, when that girl there kiss me, the brother, everything right as our John.
What do you mean by that?
Everything, so every bogo suck out, everything a John, lip, everything. My friend, yo, brother, when I time them when my face burst, I said, Jesus, I can't breathe.
Mom, slam on the brakes.
I can't breathe. And then, me get the opportunity to gas some air, brother. The breath, brother.
Hell no. To the no.
The breath. I call her break the mark for death. I think that was the fastest relationship I've ever been with. Because
It was at this moment that she knew. She up.
yo, and for the final one, that one you call. The Cure. You know why me call that one here The Cure? Big up to my brother Ruel. Me know you go kill me. But me just have to tell the people them that one here. Yeah. So one of my brethren them, right? Right? The man, we usually go my school back then, one private school. Me not call the name. Don't have been undergrad, I don't care. You know what I mean? Yeah. Usually have one little disabled girl will go there. You know what I mean? And said so. You know what I mean? And she kinda but she can talk, you know what I mean? And stuff like that. So but one thing about her though, she did good looking, she did pretty, and she did full of shape and stuff like that. Right? So one day, yo, my brethren say, yo, I know so me I go look that girl there. I want that girl there. Them man there no man. Me for the note, you know, them man there no. Them man they pick up anything on road, you know, man. Them man they, yo, she could have big like wheel.
Oh!
Maga like olive from Popeye.
Bruh.
Square, barrel shape, rectangle, any type of shape. As long as it name woman, them man they pick it up, big up. Yo, them man they no business, you know. But we never take him serious. So yo, we see the man a fish around it every day at school and stuff like that. And when I say I ramp around, this man a get all closer. So one day, the man tell me say, me so forward. This is when we in a class, you know, I go downstairs at the bathroom. At the side, we under the stairs. You know what I mean? I lie, sorry. Class did done. I in the afternoon, but we are chilling at the class. You know what I mean? School done. What better things to do? Just chill. I think it's on a Friday. So the bathroom they under the stairs now. You know what I mean? That are the youth bathroom and thing. So man say I go deal with that thing and with him girl and thing and so forward. So we just say whatever. Yo, half an hour we not see him and the man don't normally take long. So you know what I mean? So me with my enough self now. And one more my brethren them say, yo, I go down there, go check it out. Yo, me not tell no lie. It's when I reach down in the bathroom, I saw me see my brethren have the girl I deal with the girl. So the man said except with the girl in the dark. Man. Yo, the man a deal with it, you know? Yo.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Yo! We yo, Panny tile the man a deal with it, you know? But anyway, fast forward. You see, like, the next day, or probably 2 days after, cause the girl foot the kind of twist. So, yo, me no know what the man do. But you see, after that experience there, me no know it coming at the girl foot straight a little bit. You know what I mean? Me no know her foot kind of straight a little bit. You know what I mean? And she start walk a little bit straight and she start put on lipstick, makeup and everything. You know what I mean? The man cure it a little bit. But me never know the man did that serious. Real, me know you gonna kill me for share that story about brother. You are the greatest. Salute, dog. Brother, I couldn't do it. Alright then, peeps. So those are a few moments that stood out in my life. Me have enough more. You see, if you don't like that video, yeah? Like up that video, yeah? And you want more story time, you make me know, because I never gonna keep that one too long. You know what I mean? Me have enough more things to share with you now. and thing, alright? So remember to bang 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 on that like button down below. Support your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. Thank you very much for watching. Happy Thursday. And just continue to stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated. A quote by Mystic Got Jokes. But y'all know we normally do it. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock. Whoop. Ashoo. Hey.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.